Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, we are going to learn electric machine. I will discuss some words. The first word, computer. Computer means hasub. Hasub. The next word, television. Television means tilfaz. Tilfaz. The next word, washing machine. Ghassala. Washing machine means ghassala. The next word, refrigerator. Thallaja. 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 The next word, iron. Iron means mikwah. Mikwah. The next word, bulb. Bulb means misbah. Misbah. The next word, sweeper or broom. Miknasa. Broom means miknasa. The next word, fan. Fan means mirwaha. Mirwaha. The next word, geyser. Geyser means sakhan. Sakhan. The next word, mixer or blender. Khallat. Khallat. Blender means khallat. The next word, air conditioner. Mukayyaf. 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 The next word, telephone. Telephone means hatif. 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 The next word, mobile phone. Mobile phone means hatif manqul. Hatif manqul. The next word, oven. Oven means furn. 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 The next word, printer. Printer means alatun tiba'ah. Alatun tiba'ah. The next word, camera. Camera means alatun tasweer. Alatun tasweer. The next word is room heater. Room heater. Sakhanul ghurfa. Sakhanul ghurfa. Sakhanul ghurfa. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Ma'assalama. Ila liqa.